which means my bank account, not happy. My bed is here!
It's still recording.
Okay, we'll get that out. Like, hello, like I'm so cute. Hey guys, so this is gonna be like the weirdest thing I've ever done because I have no idea what this vlog's going to be. But I decided to just get in front of the camera and show you guys what I got because I love watching those like random vlogs of stuff that people like does for shopping. So today I went to the mall with the intentions to get 2 products, and it was for makeup. I ended up not doing that. So I'll show you quickly guys what I got. So I went to H&M first because I love H&M. The first thing I grabbed was this gray, like it's not really gray, it's kind of like brown or nude, but it's actually like a turtleneck. And like this goes around the neck. And it's like so cute. I'm gonna like insert pictures up here if it works out. If it doesn't fit, that'd be a bit embarrassing, but I'll try to put pictures up there. Next thing I got, because my boyfriend has the pretty much the same sweater as this, but like it's a guy's, is this huge oversized hoodie, and there's like little like lips, tongues, everything on it, and I kind of just love it and I'm obsessed with it. And then I got this necklace, like these like chains that looks like this. I always want to get jewelry, but the thing is like I don't want to invest in something since my moods change a lot. Like one second I love something and then the next second I hate it. So I was like, it's like $7, so might as well, right? And then last thing from H&M, I just got this yellow shirt that says Paris. Again, nervous about this because I've never worn yellow. Like I've literally never worn yellow. But again, I'll insert pictures. If it turns out, if there's no picture, that means that it just didn't fit me. Like I'll put it on if it fits me, but like, whew, let's hope I can get a picture. So next is the part that I went to the mall for. Living downtown means I am very close to all the essentials, which means my bank account, not happy. So I went to the mall to grab, I need a brow pencil and new face primer. I have the one from MAC and it's like literally empty. And then I also have this translucent powder from MAC. Again, almost empty. I've had them for like 7 months. And it's finally time for me to get new ones. So I went to the store to pick up those things. And I had the intentions on getting really cheap ones from like Shoppers Drug Mart. But Shoppers Drug Mart has like this beauty boutique thing on the side, like the other side of it. Certain ones, not every one, but certain ones. So we went there and the thing that I got, my camera's gonna die. No, I gotta be quick. I got this. I only had intentions on getting this one. I don't know what it's called, but it's like the mascara one for my eyebrows. End up getting that. That's $50 gone right there. I got this photo finish like primer setting powder, so I got that. And then quickly before my camera dies, I got the long lasting makeup setting spray. Looks like this, another $50. This was $50. Ended up spending like $150, but actually my roommate and I both got this like $10 thing. You can get entered to win a basket and it goes towards women's mental health, the money does. So we donated to that. So that was pretty great. But anyways, that is quickly me getting through that because my camera is like turning off that. It's gonna die. And it's also 4:38, so I need to hurry up. But that is everything that I got from the mall, and I don't know what the next part of this video is going to be, but it's kind of exciting, right? Like, I'm kind of excited about that. But thank you so much for getting this far in the video, and please, if you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really supports me and honestly just makes me happy. So I'm smiling if you do that, please. But thank you for watching this far, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so I was in the middle of my classes and my my bed showed up. Victoria goes downstairs because we had a parcel and she thought that it was gonna be like my skincare fridge just coming in. And turns out, my bed is here! What? Okay, I have to show you guys, oh my God.
Don't ever let this girl tell you to get one of her packages.
Right? So I got this mirror yesterday and my room is a big mess, but whatever. But it is here. And, oh, I look so cute. What? I look kind of cute today. But my package is here. What?
It's still recording.
Okay, we'll get that out. Okay, 1 second. Ah! Fuck, I should probably not wreck the box, hey? Ah! Pause, I'll get back to you when I open this bitch. Oh. Hey guys, so I am doing my online class right now. Actually, I finished my assignment, so I just did my skincare routine. Guys, I have been doing the skincare routine for like 2.5 weeks now. And I don't know if this vlog will be up after my skincare routine or before, but like, I have been critiquing it and trying to get the perfect skincare routine just to show everyone. Oh, she's about to start talking, so I'm just gonna time lapse this, okay?
Sorry.
Okay guys, makeup is on, my classes are over, and now we can finally get my bed set up. I still have to do my hair, but my makeup looks so cute. Oh, I'm looking at my makeup and it looks so pretty. But, makeup on, and I am gonna do my hair after we set up the bed, because I didn't want it to be in my way. So yeah, let's go and get my bed together, woo! Next thing that my roommate and I are gonna do is move out my box spring, cause I have a box spring and she's gonna take it for her room. So we're gonna go put that in her room right now and then do this, cause like, yeah. So let's get into that. This is very crooked, but you guys are leaning on my lamp. It looks very weird. The camera's like leaning and it's very crooked. But, time to throw this all on the ground. It's stuck!
Okay,
Guys, my room feels so naked. What? It feels so naked! ASMR. Update, we're taking apart the bed because we did it wrong and now we have to do it a different way, so that's the update. Woo! Let's try this mother affair again. So we got the first part set up. It looks crooked to me and I don't know why. I think it might be the style, so we're just gonna go with it. Update, my boyfriend showed up and we did it wrong. It was crooked as fuck. Tangle. Oh, that's good. Ooh, my bed is together. I put together my entire bed, guys, by myself with no help whatsoever. Look how cool it looks. I'm just kidding, I did not do this. I laid on the floor while my boyfriend did it. Bye, update later. The lighting is so bad in my room because it's like raining right now, but like, I gotta make my bed because like, low-key view, disgusting. So let's make my bed. Guys, like, wow. I actually kind of look cute today. I feel kind of cute, okay? Like, I'm like chonky, but I'm cute. Like, hello, like I'm so cute. My nails are done, white, cute. I'm wearing the pair of shirt that I got earlier in the vlog. These shorts that are also from H&M. Like, it's a vibe, okay? It's a vibe. Okay, I gotta stop procrastinating and make my bed. Okay, guys, like, what? Look at this. My bed looks so cute. My nightstand, total freaking mess. But bed, it's so cute. This is a queen. I got it on Wayfair's on sale for $200. I don't know, like I love it. It's such a vibe. I'm waiting to get like paintings and stuff hung up and all that fun stuff, but the bed really brought together, and I need to get another nightstand for there and then like a lamp, and I feel like it'll make my room look so much cuter. Oh, like why does my makeup never look good on camera? Oh my god. Like, ugh, guys, it's cloudy outside. Let me get my ring light. I just got this from Amazon. I'm doing my Amazon favorites video, but not yet, so bear with me. Hey guys, so it is a few days later. I'm sorry about the mess in the background. I love how the bed turned out. Like, it looks so cute to me. I need like a couple more decorations for my room, but other than that, like my room's coming along. I didn't want to get into too much detail because I will be doing a room tour, hopefully in the next couple of months. Hopefully not that long, but like pretty soon. I'm just like trying to get my room together, make it feel cozy, and really show myself through my room. Like that's like my biggest thing. But the bed is so freaking cute. I personally love it, and it was on Wayfair for $208. I will try to leave the link below, but it was, I think, out of stock. Like I literally believe I got the last one. Yeah, it's super cute. It's not the best quality, I'm gonna be honest. Like the boards broke.
The second my boyfriend and I sat on it,
it broke. So we ended up putting my box spring like in the bed itself because the boards were like crap. They're horrible. So only get it unless you're like planning on putting like the box. 1 second. Sorry. So back to what I was saying, only get it if you like really like, how do I say that? I don't know, if you're like my size maybe. I don't know if it was like a weight thing or just crap quality. I'm hoping it was just crap quality. But like the weight limit was 600 and I am not 600 pounds. I am not even half of that. So like, I put the box spring in between. Now it looks super cute, but like that's my suggestion on it. Not the best quality, but yeah, other than that, it's super cute. Can't wait to like cozy up my room. It did show in the picture on Wayfair, showed it a lot light, like a lighter gray, and it didn't end up being that light. It was pretty dark, as you guys can see, but whatever. Like I ended up loving it. I didn't want to wait for another bed, so I was like, I'll just work with what I got. But that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up because it supports my channel, and it genuinely, as you guys know, just makes me super happy. So like, support me, you know. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because there will be more videos posted every single week, unless I get really sick or something, God forbid. But yeah, I hope you guys are all having a great day, great night whenever you're watching this, and peace. Ooh, wow, makeup bomb AF. Like, look at that bad boy.
acne, gross, memory, bye.